Hi, this is a recorded lecture for the DP Design Technology Topic 3.5 Rapid Prototyping. So first of all, rapid prototyping is a process that produces a complete product, including internal details at a fairly quick rate. And here's a case study, it's a good video to watch, of how to apply rapid prototyping to develop a product to eventually bring to market. So have a look at this. You can see that this is actually the Glowforge. So you can have a quick look at that. So the two methods for rapid prototyping are additive. So this is where material is added or deposited by computer control in specific coordinates in three-dimensional space, or you have subtractive manufacturing, where a material is subtracted. It's either milled or, again, controlled by computer at specified XYZ coordinates from another piece of material. Additive manufacturing, so material is added or deposited by computer controlled in three-dimensional space. The code with instructions and coordinates is called G-code. 3D printing of plastics, metals, gels, and other materials are very common. And again, you can watch this video right here. This is about additive manufacturing. This is another interesting case study about additive manufacturing. This is a piece of clothing that is 3D printed. And then, of course, we have subtractive. So subtractive manufacturing is when we are subtracting, basically milling out of a solid block usually, and it's controlled by computers on the specified XYZ coordinates. And again, you're going to be using a G code to do that. Here's some examples of subtractive manufacturing techniques. This is milling, so go ahead and watch this video. And teeth. You can actually mill out like teeth for people. There are several types of rapid prototyping you need to know. So the first one is stereolithography. So this is an additive manufacturing process. And basically you're doing a 3D model layer by layer, hardening molecules of some sort of liquid polymer using a laser beam. And generally it's some sort of resin. So that's stereolithography. Laminated object manufacturing, or LOM, is a system that virtually slices a 3D CAD model into thin layers and then cuts out each layer from a roll of material using a laser or a plotter cutter, and then the material can then be glued together to create a 3D model. Essentially what you have to think about with this is you're cutting out a layer and then cutting out another layer and gluing them together as you go to build up the structure. It looks a bit like a topographic map kind of idea, so that's what you're doing with LOM. Fused deposition modeling. So this is generally what we think of as 3D printing. So this is a 3D printing technique that places melted layers of material on a bed to build up a 3D model. It doesn't necessarily need to be melted. So for instance, there's a lot of companies that are 3D printing buildings, and so this is a video that shows that happening. And the last form of rapid prototyping you need to know is SLS, or selective laser sintering. And this is an additive manufacturing technique that uses a laser to fuse small particles of materials into a mass that has the desired 3D shape. And this is a video that shows you what that's all about. All right, thanks for watching.